Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain about set object in JavaScript, which is one of the powerful data structures that got recently introduced in JavaScript. Using set, we can store unique values of any type. Basically, set won't allow us to assign duplicate values. If we are assigning multiple values, if it contains any duplication value, automatically it will remove the one that are appearing more than once. Okay, I will show with an example. So I have created a new file named set.js. So in this file, I'm going to create a new set variable using this new keyword and this set object function. Okay. So basically, this new object is going to create an instance of this set object and assign it to this particular mySet variable. So basically, we can access all the inbuilt functions provided by the set object using our initiated object. Okay, so to add a value, you can see these are the list of functions available in set. To add a value to the set, we can simply have this add function. To this function we can pass a value. So first I'm adding a city named Chennai. I'm going to add multiple cities. Okay, so the second city is going to be Bengaluru and Mumbai. Let me have Chennai two times. Okay, just to show you how it removes the duplication. So to check this, we can simply log the size, the number of elements that it contains. Basically in the map object video I have shown you. So the same, like, we can use this mySet dot. We have a property named size. It is not a function, it is a property because we don't need to pass this parenthesis here. Okay. So if I run this file, you can see 3. Even though I have added 4 values here. See, I have Chennai 2 times and Bangalore and Mumbai 1 times. Totally it is 4, right? But still it is showing 3 because we have a duplication value of Chennai 2 times. So it will consider only one out of these 2 Chennais. So it is showing us the output as 3. Even though we try to assign a duplicate value to it, it won't accept. It will only store the unique values. That is the speciality of this set object. Okay. And the other inbuilt functions like hash, it has a function named hash. Using this hash function, we can check whether a particular value is exist in that set object or not. It's to this hash function we need to pass a value. I'm just checking with Chennai here. We all know this Chennai value is exist in this set object, so it is going to return false. If in case we pass any city that is not present, then it is going to return false because this Kolkata city is not present in this set object. And the other function is like to delete any particular value from the set object, we can use delete object like delete function. Using the same myset, we can access to this delete inbuilt function. We can pass a value which we want to delete. In this case, I am deleting Chennai again here. Now you can see we are only remained with 2 values in the set because this Chennai got deleted. Only Bengaluru and Mumbai are exist. To clear all the values, like to entirely wipe out the set object, we can use myset.clear, which will entirely remove all the values present in this set object. Now you can see we have only 0 values because we have cleared all the values present in this set. So I hope you have understood the concept of set object in JavaScript and also some of the inbuilt functions associated with it. Thanks for watching.